guys, I'm Roberto. I'm instructor for Pizzaitalianacademy. We are here in Clapham Junction for Donna Margherita restaurant, and we will present you a pizza salsiccia Friarielli. The ingredients are Neapolitanean Friarielli, Salsiccia, fior di latte, scamorza cheese. The dough which is made is type 1 flour, 24 rising process, and is white base pizza. We'll put first Friarielli, then we'll carry on with Salsiccia, fior di latte, and scamorza. The pizza is ready, and enjoy. Hello guys, this is our Salsiccia Friarielli. We're here in London waiting for you.